average Tuesday and Wednesday. Alex.
Well, this weekend, NASCAR is starting their season at Daytona International Speedway in Florida. Yesterday's race, well, you could let's call it a nationwide nail-biter. Regan Smith barely edged out Brad Keselowski at the finish line. That wasn't the only excitement, as, well, 12 cars crashed as they hit the checkered flag. It was the second closest finish ever at Daytona. Jen?
All right, well, just hours from now, the green flag drops at the Daytona 500, which many call the Super Bowl of NASCAR. Thousands of fans in the stands and millions watching at home are counting on a good forecast. And there's one man who knows all about forecasting for NASCAR. Brian Neudorff is a meteorologist at Idaho's First News in Twin Falls, Idaho, and he's got the Twitter handle NASCAR Weatherman. He calls himself the unofficial NASCAR meteorologist. I call you nearly official because I look at your reports all the time, Brian. Thank you so much for joining us today. So first off, what do you think about today's race and the chances for rain?
Well, just like it was a nail-biter for the nationwide race, I think we can use the same term to talk about the weather for this afternoon. And we're watching that area of showers and storms right there along the Panhandle in North Florida. And the boundaries to the north, but some of that activity is trying to drift south. I'm sticking with the forecast. I think we can get started. It's afternoon, late afternoon. We could see some of those areas of showers and storms maybe begin to form around Daytona International Speedway. I mean, the plus is it's got lights, so we can race into the night, and they've got the air Titans. So from what I've been told, it can dry that big track in about 90 minutes. But yeah, definitely a nail biter. But thankfully, the showers and storms to the north are moving fairly slowly and moving generally in an easterly fashion.
How long have you been forecasting for NASCAR and following NASCAR and really specifically honing in on them?
Well, I mean, for forecasting-wise, I'm over 5 years. I can't, my Twitter handle says I've been doing the NASCAR Weatherman Twitter account that I have, says I've been going about 5 years, 4 months. I started on my own personal account, but then I realized not all of my followers when I worked TV were NASCAR fans, so I moved it over to a more NASCAR-specific. And then it took off. And I mean, it just started off as a fan like all the other NASCAR fans out there who just happened to be a meteorologist watching coverage one time. They were talking about the potential for rain for a race, but they weren't showing a radar. I'm like, well, hey, Twitter, social media, I'll just jump on, throw a few radars on there and let fans or people who are following know what's going on. And from there, it just took off to forecast. And here I am now with a good army, if you will, of followers, and they have been great over the last 5 years, and some have been with me since the very beginning.
Well, Brian Neudorff, thank you so much for joining us. And you had mentioned the NASCAR, the air Titans that they have. I'm going to show the forecast, and we do have that chance for rain. But hopefully, if they need it, they can bring out the air Titans. And as Brian said, 90 minutes, they can get that track dry. We've got the chance for rain starting at 3 o'clock, extending through 5. And it's one to watch. You know how thunderstorms are. They can be fickle in where they pop up. We'll be right back with more.